Welcome to Pro Handyman Roofing Orlando, your one-stop shop for all your roofing needs. Searching for handyman roof repair near me in Orlando? Look no further. We're your local experts. We take pride in our reputation for delivering high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. Our competitive pricing ensures no hidden costs, keeping your roof repair within budget. We offer a wide range of services to meet your roofing needs. Available 24/7, our emergency roof repair team tackles urgent leaks and damage. Our experts quickly identify and fix roof leaks, while thorough roof inspections catch problems early to prevent costly repairs. Regular maintenance extends the life of your roof, keeping it in top shape. Our skilled handyman roofers are dedicated to providing lasting solutions. We proudly serve homeowners throughout Orlando, including Winter Park, Maitland, Windermere, and surrounding neighborhoods. Don't let roof problems stress you out. Contact Pro Handyman Roofing Orlando today for a free, no-obligation quote and let us take care of your roof. Call us now or view our services online.